So welcome back to another video here at Brooklyn's Loss. We are just obviously currently working towards race 1 at the minute. At the minute it's just a daily routine, as you can see by the clips. We scrape out twice a day, and it's feels like a lifetime since doing it. We obviously haven't had race 1 yet because of weather and other issues that we've had along the way. We were supposed to have our first race last week, but there was obviously a meeting about putting the race back a week. Still haven't heard why, but there you go. We are currently just trying to get the birds as much training as they can. Obviously the weather plays a big part in this, and as I said in the previous video, we obviously do our hampering by hand. It's something we'd like to do, just to get a feel of the pigeons and the condition, the body, feathers and stuff. I know the quicker and easy way we used to just sort of run them into the hamper and that was it. Also this year, just by getting a bit of time in the loft this year with the young birds, we've definitely gained a few characters within it. Some of the early bred cocks are very obviously territorial, and by looking at this chap, he does not want to let the box go. So obviously good signs, something I like to see in terms of the cocks. So at the minute, I have sort of lost count in terms of how many times we've been down the road. But one thing it has done, when you tend to sit and watch back in these videos, you tend to take in what's around you. You know, I look at these pictures now, and to be honest, I could be anywhere in the world, and I'm driving down a country road, heading 30 miles from home, taking pigeons away. The scenery down this part of the country is absolutely outstanding. Just some of the views are breathtaking. But yeah, it's a wee bit of reality check in that sense of how lucky we are just to be able to spend this time sort of driving through the countryside, taking all the views in. So yeah, absolutely lovely. Obviously the drone we've bought has been a great asset in terms of getting all these wee clips. Obviously trying to put everything together is a bit of a minefield, but you know, it's been great to sort of sit and work with, you know, use a camera, use a drone, use a phone. So it's been a learning process as such, but it's been fantastic to actually, you know, with the drone, it's not really something that you see a view of usually, but you never see the world that way from the bird's eye view unless you're in a plane or a helicopter. Yeah, that's just a bit of an update that we've been doing just while we've been waiting for race 1. Obviously, it feels like a lifetime that you're waiting about the place, waiting for it. So thankfully we've got the birds away, and we're just expecting them probably anytime soon. So
I'm just putting that on.
Oh, buzzard? Buzzard? In the grey cloud. Over the forest, but it's up quite high. Nah, I just see. What's this coming down? Here we go. Here we go. Here we
Where?
go. Oh, this forest.
Whereabouts? Huh?
Oh, this forest.
I'm looking over the forest.
There.
Where? Right, put your trailer. Okay. Come on, come on. There's 3 there. There's the other one. Stephen, grab it, sir. The travelers. Here's another one, Stephen, blow. Come on, son. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Alright, can we get them travelers again? Yes, again.
Broke off the gym.
Was there?
Yeah. Here we go.
Here we go. Blow, Steve. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. But dear. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, son. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, girl. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on, there's North 4. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, son. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, girl, come on. Here's, no. Come on, girl. Hit that. They're way back, they were not bunch of Geordies.
Hey, that's the right side, it's going to pop out there.
Hmm?
I thought I was going to pop out there, I couldn't get my breathing.
Do you want me to get my whistle?
Yeah.
They're way back down the road.
You know? Look at that, there coming off the coast.
Look here, blow. Behind us.
Dude, that's coming off the coast though.
Well, come on. Come on. Be a trapper. Too quick, son. Come on, son. Come on. 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 Come on, son. Come on. Come on.
So that's us done, folks. Race 1 finitoed. Glad to get it out of the way as such. You know, the anticipation really fairly gets the better of you. I don't think I slept right for about 4 days. And then obviously you can see by the clips, just nerves completely go. But all in all, you know, happy enough. Obviously you always want to do better, but you know, have to be happy with the way the sort of we finished off. We had 80 away, which is probably my dad's biggest number that he's ever had in the shed. So, or at least started with anyway. But we had 80 away, and we dropped one. We still haven't. It still could come. As I say, it's the next morning. So, real happy with, you know, the way they eventually came out of it. Big congratulations to Jim Young. Jim Young won the club this week. So nice way to start the Young Birds for himself. So big well done to Jim, and obviously a massive well done to the Gordon brothers. They just, obviously you can tell they're Young Bird specialists, and you know, they know how to have them pigeons clicking when they need. So big congratulations for cleaning the open. We finished 4th club. Obviously finished about 70th odd down. There's only 40 prizes really in the combine anyway, so nowhere near it, but in the open side. But we finished, I think it was 11th or maybe 10th open. Not a bad way to start the Young Bird season. So all in all, we just weren't clicking, I don't think. As you can see from the video, I tried another angle to see the pigeons coming in, but it didn't pick them up too well. But basically they came straight off the forest, and there were 6 pigeons, and 3 of them broke off to Jim, and the 3 came here. But the trapping, it just didn't seem to hit the trap the way we wanted. So obviously, you know, you can try and work on that a wee bit. I mean, having them flying around the loft too, you know, once it's time to sort of come in, they don't come in too bad, you know. But obviously, being in a race situation is obviously very different for the pigeons. But yeah, we'll just obviously work towards next week. We're at the same race point, Navan, which is again 72 odd mile for us. So hopefully, you know, that wee bit of experience, I think for even us next year looking at it, there's a lot of learning points to things. You know, you think you're doing the right thing, and then come race day you can definitely see it. So there's definitely a lot of pointers to take forward, and to maybe rectify, you know, the first sort of training wise. But yeah, we just work forward now to hopefully we get a Friday to Saturday race, but the weather isn't looking good. So we'll just obviously keep our fingers crossed. I don't know what is happening with this weather, to be honest. I'm rather disappointed with it. You know, even on the training side, it was like you got like 1-2 days in, and then had to sort of stop for a day or two, and then it's nice just to get the motion of, you know, every day getting the young birds trained, and you know, keeping that sort of routine and the consistency in it, where you're sort of stop start. I don't think that even the youngsters like that, but yeah, but just you know, a lot of things to take away. But we'll move on, and that's all there is to it. So again, if you're new, we're that close to the 1,000 subscribers. I obviously appreciate the people that watch and maybe look forward to watching. I get a few text messages and stuff about how people are enjoying it, and you know, I'm glad of that. It would just be nice to get a couple more winners in the video, but hey, you know, this is pigeon sport, and you know, you enjoy the good and the bad, and we'll just take it from there. We'll just try to improve. But again, I really appreciate the guys watching. But if you are new, please do hit the subscribe button. You take care, guys, and we'll catch you next week. Take care. Bye for now.